Okay, we're starting chapter 2, and so we're going to talk about some terminology used when talking about angles. So interior angles, exterior angles. First we'll start off with transversal. So a transversal is this blue line, and a transversal is a line that intersects two or more lines. So this is a transversal, and it's cutting these two parallel lines. So interior angles are these angles found inside the parallel lines. So they can be on either side of this transversal, but they are inside the parallel lines. Exterior angles, you'll see, are the angles that are found outside of the parallel lines. So they can be on either side of a transversal, but they're outside of the parallel lines. And corresponding angles is in the same position. So this one is in the bottom corner between the transversal and parallel line. This one is in the bottom corner between the transversal and parallel line. So these are corresponding angles. Okay, I'll cruise over here so we can see our summary. The key ideas is when a transversal intersects a pair of parallel lines, the corresponding angles that are formed by each parallel line and the transversal are equal. So in this case, they are saying these corresponding angles, see they're in the top corner, so A and E would be equal. This only is true if these lines are parallel. Same with B and F are equal if these lines are parallel. C, G, and D, H. It says when a transversal intersects a pair of lines creating equal corresponding angles, the lines are parallel. This also says when a transversal intersects a pair of non-parallel lines, the corresponding angles are not equal. So see, these lines are not parallel, therefore A and E are not equal. Same with B and F, D and H. This is the case when they're non-parallel lines, but if they're parallel, then they are equal.